Hi guys, hi guys, hi guys, hi Grovers. So today we'll be talking about a new feature we just recently launched. Now, this is a feature specifically for event creators who already have their platform. Now, we kept getting feedbacks from creators who didn't necessarily want their users to keep leaving their sites, to go to external platforms, but those who use Groove and are just kind of trying to use us for the first time, or those actively using Groove, we kept getting this feedback of, oh, we have our sites where we have our community and we would like to control our experience. We heard, we listened, and we began cooking. So I will be walking you guys through a way to be able to have this sorted and displayed on your site. So I just created a random event called Test by Devs. So whoever is coming to the Groove website sees the test. Hopefully you guys don't buy tickets. If you do, free money to me. Anyways, just joking. I said this to expire in the next couple minutes anyways. So the first thing to do is for any event you are trying to run. So, for example, I'm trying to, let's say, run a game, maybe a gaming festival or a Comic Con. And I already have my website that I have my team of devs have created, but I don't want to spend all the time in the world building a registration tooling or event ticketing. It takes a while. So instead of creating the event on Groove and have your attendees come to Groove, you can actually have your attendees buy it on your website. Or what you just need to do as a creator is come to Groove, create your event, just like as I've done here. Go to manage. Now, when you go to manage events, you would see the more tab. Under your more, we have added a couple of functionalities like the event visibility to make your event private or public, up to you, the URL tag, where instead of having the w.groove.event slash random strings of numbers, you could actually just call it maybe def icon and you update it and you just share your event link, groove.event slash def icon works perfectly. But that's not what we're talking about today. So what we are talking about is how to embed on your website. We initially started with a more developer heavy package, which is the npm or yarn install. But we knew, yeah, not everyone is that tech savvy. Why do we even really want to stress people out? So we went down to the using with HTML CDN. Now, you have this code for every event. It is tailored to that particular event. Now, so I'll just use this as an example. I just used WinScribe to generate a random event. So this is just a random event created with WinScribe. So all I did is generate that event and I have my platform here, which is good. So all I'll need to do is come here. This is your general HTML. You have your head, you have your body, anything could be your body. What is most important to us here is the anchor tag, which is a link. This is what triggers the click. Now you can have as much anchor tags as you want as possible. You can style it however you like. Currently, we are just giving the default styling, which I'll be adding here to my event. So I come to my event. I just, this is my WIM website. So the hero section. So this is my hero section. I would like to put my anchor tag here. So I copy and paste it. I save. It doesn't work yet because I need to finish things up. So to finish things up, I need to also copy my script tag. This is very essential for it to work because this is where it has all the functionalities and everything for you. So I copy my script tag, come to my WinScribe. I paste my script tag just at the end of my HTML, the footer. I just give the space. Doesn't necessarily matter. And that's it. I could be able to run this event anywhere. All I just need to do is copy those necessary codes, style it however I want. I just give mine default styling. You actually can change the theme, the color, the text. It depends on you. You could give it any styling you want. It's very flexible. But what happens now is originally there was no buy ticket. I just added that link and my event, which I created here, the name of the event, which is Test by Devs. I can actually access it here. Test by Devs. I could decide to buy tickets. Let's just buy the free one so we see it's working. I could put my name, my email, and voila, my ticket is processing. In a couple of seconds, I'll receive my tickets. And as a creator, ensuring your attendees have all their tickets with them is very important. So right now, we've also bumped things up a bit, whereby we give your users the ability to download their tickets. So it downloads and it gets saved directly in your device. This makes life easy. You control your experience. Your attendees do not need for any reason to leave your platform. They are always in your platform and you have more control. You can set up more tracking tools to be able to see how many clicks and do all sorts of things. The goal is control your event better, own your events better. We're all about ownership. I want to make things easier for you. So that's the end of today's demo. See you soon in the next demo. Who knows what we're going to build next? Give us feedback, communicate with us on our Discord channel, WhatsApp, Instagram. If there's anything you'd like to see as a creator that you currently are not seeing, let us know and we'll be happy to build it for you.